Deep in the rainforests of Papua lives one of nature's most extraordinary treasures, the bird of paradise. With feathers that shimmer like jewels and dances that captivate the forest, this bird is a true symbol of beauty. Male birds perform spectacular dances to attract their mates, spreading their plumes like golden crowns. Found only in Papua, the bird of paradise is a living wonder that reminds us of nature's magic. A true jewel of the sky, the bird of paradise.